Okay, well here we go. This is the result of the trade that ended. This is where binaries can be a little bit frustrating. 78, 74, and we had to beat 78, 72, 6. So that's 2 pips on the wrong side of the trade, and we were on the right side for a long time. And then something just spiked up and it went the wrong way, and then came right back down again on the right side. So looking at the big picture here, the white horizontal line is the one we were supposed to be below, and now in fact we are below that. So it was a high risk trade, as I said in the previous videos, and it could have gone either way, but didn't have much on the trade. And I'm more convinced now that this will come back, because on the daily we've got 2 indicators here saying there's some more selling pressure coming into play. And although this resistance level is not great, I will say that at around New York lunchtime, which would be about 4 hours away, 4 or 5 hours away from us at the moment, at the point of making this video, I would, depending on data on the US dollar, which is, let me just show you here, it's this data here. Depending on that data, if that data is bad, it'll be buying dollars because of risk. So let's see what the price action is like later on. I've only just come back in because I went to see Death Wish, the remake. It's really good, actually. Good old Bruce Willis delivers an excellent performance. So just checked up on the result. So frustrating, but you mustn't be frustrated about these things. So that is the ultimate in frustration there, that until very close, these are quarter an hour candles, 15 minutes, then for some reason it went up and then came back down. So we are on the right side, but the timing wasn't right, and we were only 2 pips, in fact less than 2 pips, just to make it even more frustrating. But that's the way it goes. I intend to look at it again later tonight, and if I see a technical setup, and depending on the news that comes out of New York, I may well re-enter, because with a larger sum to recover losses, and I'd have a lot more confidence on the second trade. So that's why I would commit some more money to it, because I'd have a better sense of certainty about it. So that's the 4 hour. So I'm also trying out this new microphone here and headset, and see how that works. So, I've just done something rather stupid. What have I done here? That's not good news. So I'm going to stop the video here, because